Hello and welcome to our new video on the top 5 books of structural equation modeling, which is known as SEM. SEM is a set of statistical techniques used to measure and analyze the relationships of observed and latent variable. It allows researchers to test complex models and hypotheses, and it is widely used in the social sciences, marketing, and other fields. Today, we will be discussing the top 5 books on SEM that every researcher and student should read. But before moving to the different books, if you didn't subscribe our channel yet, go and subscribe our channel so you get the new videos about different books and statistical analysis. So the first book is A Beginner's Guide to Structural Equation Modeling. This book is written by Randall E. Schumacker and Richard G. Lomax. As the title suggests, this book is an excellent starting point for those who are new to structural equation modeling. The book provides a comprehensive overview of SEM from the basics to more advanced topics. It is written in an easy to understand language and includes many examples and exercises to help readers practice their skills. As you can see on the screen that this book is published by the Routledge.com, and you can download the books from Routledge website if you have the subscription. If you want to read about table of contents, here it's the table of content of this book. It's totally a beginner's guide where you can see that how to enter the data and the correlation regression method, what is path models, what's the basics of some structural equation modeling, what is factor analysis, full SEM, extension of CFA models. You can read all those detail in this book. It's a wonderful book. And if you want to get the data files, you can go to instructor and student resources. So the other book is Principle and Practices of Structural Equation Modeling. Currently, the Guilford has published its fifth edition, and this book is written by Rex B. Kline, as you can see, written on the website. And if you go to the table of content, you will find out that this book is very extensive and they have covered the concept, standards, and tools, and then the background concepts. Then in the third chapter, they have explained the steps and reporting procedure, data preparation, further analysis, and computer tools that you can use for structural equation modeling, which includes R packages, and then specification, estimation, and testing, parametric causal model, and they have also explained the global estimation and mean structure plus model testing and indexing. What are RAMSI, CFI, SR, values? You can read all these details in this book, which is very, you can say, and detailed book. And let's go to the third book, which is Multiple Regression and Beyond, an introduction to multiple regression and structural equation modeling. This book is written by Timothy Z. Keat, and it's a wonderful book and published by Routledge.com. I think if you have read the previous 2 books, you should go for this book at the third stage, and it will lead you to from multiple regression to structural equation modeling. So it's a wonderful book, and they have the data file with this book. You can go to the sport material and you can download the files and you can practice on SPSS and structure and MS software. So let's move to the fourth book, which is Introduction to Structured Equation Modeling using IBM SPSS Statistics and Amos. So this book is written by Niels Blanch, and you can download the data file from online resources. The link of all these books will be available under the description of this video. You can go there and you can download the books and download the data files, and you can practice all those things by yourself. So the last book is Structural Equation Modeling with Amos, Basic Concept, Applications, and Programming. It's the third edition of this book, and this was written by Barbara M. Byrne. So this is the last book that you can read on structural equation modeling. So if you are a beginner, then you can start from this book, and then you can keep on reading the books, and you can get a lot of information about what is structured equation modeling, how to perform this uh, whole technique in Amos and other softwares. I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.